Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is me after I just edited the video. I did an intro on the bike before the first clip you're about to see, but it was really dark, so it was like a black screen with me talking, just hello. So yeah, just want to let y'all know that I took a lot of time editing this video, really just going through the footage because I'm not really a big editor like that, but I chopped the footage up. That's pretty much all that I did. But there was a lot of footage, like it was like over 100 minutes. I think it was 110, so almost whatever that is, 2 hours of footage, and this is a like 25-minute video. So yeah, so please drop a like or a dislike if you dislike the video. I don't really care, but please do subscribe though. I'd appreciate that. But yeah, let's get into it. Oh dang, the ops, bro. Oh, my bad, gang. Yo, let's get it done, bro. Hold on, bro. I gotta fix my shiesty real quick. I'd roll a sick ass stoppie right now if I had a front brake. I don't really know where we're going, to be honest. Well, we're going somewhere, that's for sure. Look, it's still kind of cold, am I gonna lie? I'm thirsty. Woo.
What up, fellas? Oh, we got scooters! Happy Halloween!
Yeah! That shit crazy. Man, that was a sick ass wheelie.
Yeah, dude. I saw it.
Damn. Y'all just missed that wheelie I just had, man. That shit was crazy.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
There we go. Now my boot bag on. Dude, that's just crazy, bro. Bro, is that Bob the Builder? Is that Bob the Builder? That's crazy. Bro, I should have had that shit back there. Bro, I think that was Bob the Builder, bro. Oh, I gotta put the words on. Fuck Putin. Alright then. Go right ahead. I want to do that, but if that's what you want to do with your free time, is have sex with Putin, by all means, go ahead. But that's not me, gang. It's not me, twin. Ah, that was ass. Okay, I guess we're out here then. Yo, we really out here right now, bro. That's crazy.
crazy. Pedal, 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 pedal. Yes, sir. All right, so we out here in Raleigh right now. This shit, not gonna lie, I've been to a lot of cities. This one is kind of nice. It's kind of, all right, bro. There's hella people here, actually. Hold on. Damn, there's hella people.
Oh, no. I was talking to this motherfucker, but he didn't. We're going to the tunnel with the stairs and shit right there. Are we going to the NC? Oh, man, I'm getting that shit. That's what you mean, right?
Why are you telling me? Out of all these people, you had to tell me. Light. Damn, he ultra being, bro. He ultra being for real.
That is awesome.
Damn, we got a heli gang out here tonight.
Yeah, you know.
Promise I am never letting no. But we out here gang for real. As if I got everything. I think I'm lonely. Is this a road I can do a wheelie on, bro? Ah, no! Whoa, 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 whoa. So, whatever that was. Alright, we're still out here,
Are we going to Morgan Street?
later.
Oh, shit. I'm so upset.
I have no idea what's currently going on at the moment, not gonna lie.
Yeah, me neither.
Gang's out here though.
Hell yeah.
We're pointing at somebody. Don't know what that means. Shorty coming up here in the Tesla. Don't know what that's about. Man, this shit got ambient lighting, bro. That's crazy. Trying to get some schwheelies in real quick.
Oh, God, oh, God.
I don't know about you guys.
Sorry about it.
I just want to ride with the town. Whoa! What we got going on over there?
Was that like that?
What was that about?
I may have even used this one.
Man, we gotta
I
get to the bottom of this.
water, you got the right there. Oh my God!
Bro, I knew it was coming. I think we all knew it was coming.
Oh my God!
Not the whip, bro. There we go. Oh, that's not good. Hold on, my whip broke, I think. Oh, maybe not. Oh, definitely broke. Hold on, the whip broke. Plus the battery's cold. Oh, we're going down Glenwood right now. Damn, big ass Cybertruck. Okay, okay. That was. Okay, I think we're good now. Oh, from what do we got here? Oh, XSR 900. sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got a shorty out here, whatever the hell that is. We're just gonna pass on that. We got a gang out here. This guy gave me the ride, bro. Appreciate it, gang, for the ride here. Not gonna lie, came in with hella clutch. We got a hella gang out here. We got the Altus.
Huh?
I said we got an Altus. Say hi to my 2 YouTube subscribers.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. There we go. We got a gang out here. We got a damn New Yorker down here. Get them all out of here, bro. Ruining our damn North Carolina state, bro. Yo, we got, hold on, bro. The hell is this, bro? Lab experiment going on or something? This should look crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Oh, that's another Cybertruck? Damn, now this video is getting double negative reviews. Yeah, we got a weed nurse thing. Sick. This one's black though, so I guess it's better. Looking up for gang. We out here though, big out here. Oh, tin roof. I know where we are. This shit looking crazy. We got the opposition, per usual. Hopefully they don't move at all. Whatever the hell that is. A spiderweb Jeep. A Jeep Web Wrangler. A Jeep Webbler. Alright, I'm just gonna shut up now. Just kidding. We got big gang out here for real. There's hella people out here for real. That's crazy. Yo, hold on. The opposition is over here. He looked a little upset. However, we should be doing all right. We got more people out here. We got hella people out here, so. Okay, yo, what the hell we got going on over here? That's actually crazy. You see that right there? I don't know about that one, twin. That was actually kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah! We got a fucking glizzy gobbler over here. That shit looking crazy. That's crazy. Is my light on? Yeah, my light's on. This is actually crazy.
Why is it logical? Why is it a fallacy?
Why is what a what? Yes, sir. We out here. That was interesting. The Glizzy's guys kind of wrapped it all together. Okay, those plaid shirts. Yo, what up? So we got a sailor going on out here. That's a little wild. What else we got? A 101 cherry red Corvette. 101. We're gonna let them go ahead and go. I think I'm just going to overtake this pedestrian right now. Now we're gonna go straight into the traffic. Straight into the traffic. Alright, we're back at it again, guys. Yep, sport mode is working. Hasn't been working sometimes. Earlier tonight, I don't know if I said something about it. But the modes were kind of boofing. Watch weekend. Sheesh, we got a red Altus over there. And we got a Happy Run. Voted best bike by some guy at the gas station. Dude, that shit was hilarious. That shit was hilarious. Alright, now let's see what we got going on out here. Down the road, down the street. We might be able to kill the streets. Yes, thank you for stopping. Woo! Yeah! Alright, so we already saw something going on in the streets. Alright, so the party people are also over here in the streets. So I think we're gonna go this way, I hope. I really hope we don't go that way. Bro, sheesh! Yo, rev that shit, bro. Rev that shit, bro. He did not rev that shit, bro. Damn, he got fucking stabbed, bro. Damn. Oh no, he's smoking a cigarette out of his chest. Hold on. I got that so wrong. What do you have going on over here? Something smells burnt. Oh shit. Oh, we got a Suzuki. I wonder if I'm even getting in that shit. Whoa, whoa. Sigma. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Zoom Nation for real, bro. Zoom Nation. Yes, sir, bro. And he got a quad lock, bro. He probably. Oh, he spawned back in, bro. He entered rendering. Oh, what? Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Bro, yo, bro. He just cock blocked my video, bro. Bro, he just. I guess he desensitized it for the kids on the show. Holy shit. That was crazy right there.
There should be something.
Yo, we out here.
I got one room here.
Sheesh. We got this guy. We got hella more bikes. Bro, pick it up, bro. Sheesh. Regen off after that one. Good job, gang. Whoa. She's trying to go, bro. I can't control it. It's just trying to go, bro.
Mine too, actually, bro.
I don't know what's going on, bro. I can't control it, bro. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Never dropped. Clean title.
How's your buzzball experience?
Buzzball experience. Go crazy. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Oh. Oh, just the gang spot for real.
Oh yeah! He's got the RTR. Oh, just
Woo, sheesh. Yo, say hi to the YouTube.
what's up?
I got like one subscriber.
It's Emily on
Yo,
one subscriber.
yo, one subscriber.
Henry_strange2.
All right, yo,
Emily
yo.
_period.
Hey, remember me,
Yeah,
remember my
I like
name.
the fit. That's kind of crazy.
What's your handle?
919 Sigma.
Oh, that's tough.
That's mine too.
Dude, for real? Dude, I'll buy the copyrights, bro.
Chicken Joe.
Oh, it's full as fuck out here, bro. Oh shit, he cranking out all that, bro. What was that? Woo! Woo! Oh, that's good.
I'm not making that.
Bro, that was easy. Oh! Oh! What's that? Oh, yeah. Easy.
I have zero traction on my rear tire at all. Like,
Right here.
oh, that was.
Whoa!
Oh shit, Baz is gonna hit that.
No way.
Who's next? Let's fucking go!
Yes, sir. That's crazy. Bro, get that Altus up here. Oh, there we go. Oh!
Well, now.
Well, that just happened.